Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Linking your Trust Wallet to Binance is a straightforward process that opens up tons of trading possibilities. Step 1. Start by opening your Binance account on your computer or phone. Make sure you're logged in and navigate to the API Management section. You'll find this in your account settings under Security. Create a new API key and give it a name that helps you remember it's for Trust Wallet integration. Step 2. Once you've generated your API key, Binance will show you your public key and secret key. Copy both of these and keep them somewhere safe, but never share your secret key with anyone. Step 3. Now open your Trust Wallet app and go to the Settings menu. Look for the Connected Apps or dApp browser section where you can add new connections. Step 4. Select the option to add a new exchange connection and choose Binance from the list of available options. You'll be prompted to enter your API key here. Paste in the public key you copied earlier. Step 5. After entering your API key, Trust Wallet will verify the connection with Binance servers. Once verified, you should see your Binance balance reflected directly in your Trust Wallet interface. From here you can manage your assets, check prices, and execute trades without switching between apps constantly. This integration makes trading way more efficient and convenient for your crypto portfolio.